3 tips, the collab or not collab. What do you got for the peoples?
Bang aminom.
Okay.
Bira cosa.
Well, I'm going to bring it back to the beginning. Trata collabs maneira bota besta visit un hen su casa. Boke pa nang evitable back, act accordingly. Si bono ke pa nang evitable back, act accordingly. That's what I have to say. Like, si bota mane, oh, I'm actually gonna treat this person awfully, but every time I'm back for this, I'm gonna do that. If that's your goal, voral. Pero si boke trake na ki back, act accordingly pa nang sinti pa nang bosaki ko no, tal persona, I really show me a good time until me do ke trake persona ki back. That's number 1.
Okay.
Number 2.
The second one, the log bo progress. Log bo
Okay.
meetings, log bo process, progress, all the things. Kuba ting manera ko pa look back, trace back to what was said, what happened, what will be said in the future. Bo miss security, safety, and for a summer working with other people.
Sí. Number 3, I would say to be prepared. Being
For what?
preparado. Pa whatever me sita. Sita, e pro me meeting, sita e dia di shoot, sita dia di ase cos, sita, sina me se ask one question, ta as prepared as you can because elo help in the future. So it do na mas un confidence di man, oh, I know what I'm talking about. Or maybe you do know what you're talking about, but in that specific situation, bo ta run blank because bo not do any prep. So si bo po asi prep, asi van tevoren. Paano me se llega na idea anto bota basha awa man in the bisa.